In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can install Fabric mods here in Minecraft 1.21.11. Before you do get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do if you do have Minecraft open, and yes, this does include the launcher, go ahead and close out of it and go ahead and open up yourself a web browser of your choice. Now, I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you'd like. And essentially what you're going to want to do is search for fabricmc.net and hit enter. And from here, go ahead and hit download on the Fabric loader. It's going to pull up with the page that looks like this. Select download for Windows if you're on Windows. And then from here, go ahead and select the installer up at the very top, and you're going to see an option that looks like this, where you're going to want to make sure that you choose Minecraft 1.21.11, hit create profile, and then hit install, and then hit OK once it does finish. From here, you can go ahead and close out of it. I would also highly recommend opening up another tab and searching for Fabric API, and then hit enter. Go to the CurseForge link right here, and then from here, select files, and then go to the all game version section and filter to 1.21.11. Select the top option and then hit download file. Wait 5 seconds on this ad page, and then it's going to automatically download for you up at the very top. Keep track of this file. Don't click on it yet. We're going to need it later. Now from here, you can go ahead and download mods from really wherever you would like. I personally like to do them off of CurseForge, but you could do something like Modrinth if you would like, or really any program. You just have to make sure that they are obviously compatible with Fabric. To do that on CurseForge, for example, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is obviously get to curseforge.com, select Minecraft, hit browse all up at the very top, and if you scroll down on this option, you're going to see an option for Fabric down here for the mod loader. So just select Fabric just like so, and this is going to show you all the mods that work with Fabric. Let's just go ahead and say that I want to do this like custom villager AI moon mod just like so. Select whatever mod you want, hit files, and then from here go ahead and filter by game version 1.21.1 and then filter by Fabric for that mod loader and select the top option and hit download file. Once again, on CurseForge, it's going to take you to an ad page where you have to wait about 5 seconds. Just wait 5 seconds and then you'll see it download up at the very top. Now from here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually close out of Google Chrome and open up your Minecraft launcher again. So go ahead and do that. And you should see now that it says Fabric Loader down in the very bottom. If it doesn't show that, select this little arrow, find Fabric Loader 1.21.11, select it, and then from here, go up to the Installations tab up at the very top and find that exact same Fabric Loader. And as you can see, I actually have a lot of them, so I need to go through and remove some of these. But find Fabric Loader 1.21.11, find this little installations folder thing next to it and select it, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to scroll down until you see the mods folder, and this is going to be alphabetically ordered. But select mods, and then within here, what you're going to want to do is actually just right click on your file explorer and open up another file explorer page. And then on this one, go to your downloads folder and just drag in Fabric API, and then go ahead and drag in whatever mod you just downloaded as well. From here, you can go ahead and close out of this and then just go back to this play tab and hit play. Tick off this box and get loaded into Minecraft, and your mods are now going to be working. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.